Welcome back. Let us continue. First question. How many meters of cloth 5 meter wide will be required to make a conical tent, the radius of whose base is 7 meter and height is 24 meter? So we have to find out the length of the cloth which is having a width 5 meter. Let us draw the cone here. The radius of the base is 7 meter and the height is 24 meter. Let us draw the center line. The surface area of the cone, that is the curved surface area, is equal to pi r L, where L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. Let us substitute the values. H square is 24 square plus 7 square. Let us calculate the values. 24 into 24, 4 4s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 9. 24 into 2 is 48. 6, 7, 5. 576 plus 49. This is 5. This will be 2 and this will be 6. So this will be square root of 625. Square root of 625 is 25. So the value of L is equal to 25. They are asking the surface area. Surface area is equal to pi into r, that is 7, into length, that is 25. 22 by 7 into 7 into 25. This will be equal to 22 into 25. Let us not calculate this because they are asking the length of the cloth. So the length of the cloth into the width is equal to the net surface area, that is 22 into 25. The width is 5 meter. Now we can calculate the length of the cloth. 5 2s are 10, 11. So the answer is 110 meter. This length is nothing but the length of the cloth, not the slant height L and W, which is equal to 5. Answer is A. Next question. If the heights of two cones are in the ratio 7:3 and the diameters are in the ratio 6:7, what is the ratio of their volumes? So there are two cones, V1, V2. They are asking to find out the ratio of V1 by V2. The formula is given by 1 by 3 pi r square h. Similarly, for the other one it is 1 by 3 pi r square h. The top one is for the first cone, second one is for the second cone. Okay, they are saying the heights are in the ratio 7:3. Let the height be 7x and 3x for cone 1 and cone 2, and the diameters in the ratio 6:7. So the radius also will be in the same ratio. Let us take 6y, 7y. We shall substitute these values. We can cancel out 1 by 3 into pi. So this will be r square h. R square for the first one will be 6y whole square into h. H is 7x. Divided by r square for the second one is 7y square into height is 3x. So it is 6 into 6 into 7 divided by 7 into 7 into 3. We can cancel. This will be 2. So the answer will be totally is to 7. Answer is A. Next question. A conical tent is to accommodate 11 persons. Each person must have 4 square meters of space on the ground and 20 cubic meters of air to breathe. The height of the cone is. There are 11 persons here and each person should have 4 meters of space on the ground. Okay, let us draw the cone. The base area is pi r square, which is nothing but 11 persons into 4 square meters, because each person is occupying 4 square meter on the space. So we can substitute the values. 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 11 into 4. This will be 2. R square will be equal to 4 into 7 by 2. This is 2. This is 2 into 7, 14. R square will be equal to 14. Let us leave it as such. Now we have to find out the volume. The volume required will be equal to 11 into 20 meter cube. Okay. Volume formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h, which is equal to 220. We shall substitute the values. We shall substitute 14 in place of r square. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 14 into h is equal to 220. We can cancel this. This will be 10. This will be 2. And this will be 5. So h is equal to 5 into 3, 15 meter. The answer is C, 15 meter. Next question. The slant height of a conical mountain is 2.5 km and the area of its base is 1.54 km square. The height of the mountain is. Let us draw the cone. The slant height is L is equal to 2.5 km and the area of the base AB is equal to 1.54 km square. They are asking the height of the mountain, that is h. So you can find out h if you know L and R. We can find out R from the area. So AB is equal to pi r square is equal to 1.54 km. So r square will be equal to 1.54 divided by 22 into 7. We can divide 1.54 by 11. 154. This will be 1 time 11. 44. This will be 4 times. Okay. So 1.54 will be 0.14 divided by 2 into 7. This will be 0.07. So this is nothing but 0.7 into 0.7. Therefore, R will be equal to 0.7 km. Okay. Now they are asking the height of the mountain. H will be equal to square root of L square minus R square. This is equal to 2.5 square minus 0.7 square. 25 square is 625. Therefore, 2.5 square should be equal to 6.25. Similarly, 7 square will be 49 and 0.7 square will be 0.49. We shall subtract this. 625, 49. This will be 6 and this will be 11 minus 4, it is 7 and this is 5. So this will be equal to 576. So 25 square is 625 and 20 square is 400. So 575 should lie in between this. 4 4s are 16. So there is a chance that 24 into 24 will be equal to 576. Let us calculate. 4 4s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 9. 24 into 2 is 48. 6 7 5. So the square root of 526 is 24. But we are finding the square root of 5.76. So the answer should be 2.4. H will be equal to 2.4 km. Answer is B. B. Next question. The radius and height of a right circular cone are in the ratio 3:4. If its volume is 301 into 5 by 7 centimeter cube, what is the slant height? We can find out the slant height if you know R and H. But they are given in a particular ratio 3:4. Let us assume R is 3x and H is 4x. And the volume is given as 301 5 by 7. This we can write as 301 into 7 plus 5 divided by 7. So we can calculate the value. 1 7 is 7, 0, 3 7s are 21 plus 5 by 7. This will be equal to 2112 by 7. And we can write volume as 1 by 3 pi r square H is equal to 2112 by 7. We can substitute the value of pi here into 22 by 7 r square H is equal to 2112 by 7. we can cancel this here. We shall check if 2112 is divisible by 11. 2112 by 11. So 111 is 11. So the remaining will be 10. We shall drop the 1 here. 10 11s are 110. So 9 11s will be 99. So the remainder is 2. We can bring 2. 2 11s are 22. So we can divide by 11. This will go 2 times. This will go 192 times. We can divide again by 2. This will be 9 times 12. This will be 6 times. So r square h will be equal to 3 into 96. We can substitute the values here. R square is 3x square, that is 3x whole square into 4x, that is h value. This is equal to 3 into 96. We can expand this. 3 into 4 x cubed is equal to 3 into 96. We can cancel these 3 and this will be 32. So x cubed will be equal to 32 by 4, that is 8, implies x is equal to 2. So the radius will be equal to 3x, that is 3 into 2 6, and height will be equal to 4x, that is 4 into 2 8. They are asking the slant height. Slant height L is equal to square root of r square plus h square, 6 square plus 8 square. This is 36 plus 64. This is nothing but square root of 100. L is equal to 10. The answer is C, 10 centimeter. Okay, we shall finish the remaining problems in next lecture. Thank you.